Welcome to our channel, Lifestyle Health and Fitness. Minimalist living has been gaining popularity in recent years and for good reason. By simplifying our lives and getting rid of unnecessary possessions, we can find greater happiness and fulfillment. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on how to start living a minimalist lifestyle. Join us in this journey and learn how to find freedom by letting go of unnecessary possessions and embrace simplicity to find joy in the simple things in life. Let's begin. Tip 1. Start small. You don't have to completely overhaul your entire life in one day. Start by decluttering one room or one area of your home at a time. Focus on getting rid of items that you no longer need or use. Tip 2. Be mindful of your purchases. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you truly need it. If the answer is no, then don't buy it. This will help you avoid accumulating unnecessary items in the first place. Tip 3. Embrace simplicity. A minimalist lifestyle doesn't mean living in a bare, empty space. Instead, it's about surrounding yourself with only the things that truly matter to you and that bring you joy. Tip 4. Find alternatives to physical possessions. Instead of buying things, find ways to experience them. For example, instead of buying a new book, borrow one from the library. Instead of buying new clothes, shop for them at a thrift store. Tip 5. Be grateful for what you have. Minimalism isn't just about getting rid of things, it's also about being grateful for what you have and finding joy in the simple things in life. Minimalist living isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. By letting go of unnecessary possessions and embracing simplicity, we can find greater happiness and fulfillment in our lives. We hope these tips have been helpful in starting your minimalist journey. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on minimalist living and other lifestyle topics.